Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a topic that how everything in Python is an object. This is a question asked by one of our friends. So let's try to solve this thing. Firstly, we take a variable, for example x equals to 2. Here we are not defining the type of x as we do in C and C++. The type of x depends upon the type of data present in it. This thing makes Python dynamic in nature. Now we can check the type of x by using type function and then passing x as an argument. Okay, we get to know that x is an object that belongs to class integer. Likewise, we define another variable, for example y equals to 3.5. Now let's again check type of y, and we can say that y is an object of class float. Y is an object of class float. Again, we define another variable. Suppose z equals to, let's say, hi. Now let's check type of z. Okay, now we can say that z is an object of class string. We use a common function called print to print anything on screen. So let's check type of that function. Type print. Okay, print is an object that belongs to class built-in function or method. Now let's define a list. List equals to, we can say this list as num. It might confuse you. Num equals to 1, 2, and 3. Now let's check type of num. Okay, it's list. Now we can say that num is an object of class list. Now let's define a function. Suppose def fun. We print hi in it. Okay, now let's call this fun. Okay, hi is printed. Now let's check type of this function. Here we go, we pass fun as an argument. Okay, the type here is function. Now we can say that fun is an object of class function. In the last, let's check the class world. Suppose we are defining a class world. Let's take a variable x equals to, let's take a string. India is my country. Okay, now let's create an object of this class. Suppose w equals to world. Now we want to print this thing. W dot x to access the variable x. Okay, here is printed India is my country. Now let's check type of this object. Type. Now let's pass w. What we get? Okay, we get that w is an object of class world. So friends, the question was that how everything in Python is an object. Here we got to know that how everything in Python is an object. Firstly we defined a variable. For example, we defined x, and we got to know x belongs to the class integer. Then we defined y was a float. We defined a float value in it, and we got to know that y is an object that belongs to the class float. Hope guys you enjoyed this session. Thank you very much.